What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jaxx. Going over Matic as well as Ethereum. Currently sitting at 57 cents. We're up 4% on the day. See a market cap 5.38 billion. 24-hour volume 423 million. So let's hop into the charts. So we just have 3 waves up so far for Matic. We've already broken the 50% retracement. So unless this is a leading diagonal, which is of course possible, but that's quite an explosive wave 3 for a leading diagonal. Because with the leading diagonal, we can break into the wave 1. If we start to lose the support of this wedge, then higher probability Matic is going to come down and create a lower low. But if we can bounce relatively soon, if Bitcoin were to break out and Matic can hold the support of this wedge and we push up and we make a 5-wave move, then we can look at a leading diagonal wave 1. Because if we zoom out on the daily time frame, if we do come down and break this low, it will invalidate this as a 1-2 setup. And basically what you would do is you would take your fib retracement, a little bit of lag here. You would take your, you would take your fib retracement from the bear market low all the way to the top of the wave 1 high. And you would look for your next target. Let me remove all these fibs so it's not distracting. Just like that. Yeah, so we're already sitting underneath the 0.786. So the next support is the invalidation at about 51 cents and then down here at about 44 cents. But once you start to break the 78.6, it becomes unlikely that it's a wave 2 pullback. So we do need to see Matic break out relatively soon. I do think that there's a good chance that this was just a max pain pullback, and we do see that continuation to the upside. We'll have to see how it plays out. If we look at the daily chart, as you can see, we pushed up in a 1, we pulled all the way back. 99% retracement of wave 1 max pain. And we started to break out, so we need to get back above those daily EMAs. I have some alerts here for gold as we just hit our first take profit. Need to get back above the 20 EMA, get back above the 55, and that would be a stronger signal of continuation to the upside. We broke out of this falling wedge pattern, and basically you came back and retested it. Successful bounce off the retest, so that also could be a signal of a breakout to the upside. Taking a look at Ethereum, we retested the inverse head and shoulders on the weekly. We're holding the 200 week moving average, this red line here. I did mention that I think we'd only spend a few weeks underneath the weekly EMAs before getting back above them and seeing continuation to the upside. I do think that's a likely scenario. If we take a look at the wave count here on the 4-hour, what I'm looking at is that that's your wave 2 low. We pushed up in a wave 1. We had a wave 2 pullback, and now we're basically pushing up into wave 3, and the micro count is 1, 2, 3, 4. Potentially push up into wave 5 to complete the wave 3, pull back into 4, push up into wave 5. Once we complete that first impulse to the upside, I will look for an entry on that pullback. That's where I'll look to enter my trade, and hopefully see continuation to the upside. That's what I think is likely. That's what I'm looking for on the chart. So we'll have to see how everything plays out. If we fail to create a 5-wave move to complete the wave 3, then of course we can create a lower low. But as of right now, what I'm looking for is continuation to the upside. All right, gang, that's it for Matic and Ethereum. Trade signals will be given. In the Discord, you can receive a 14-day free trial. If you sign up to Bitfinex, no KYC, no VPN for my US Canadian traders looking for an exchange. I have a full-length tutorial, which you can click at the end of the video. It will pop up on the screen. If you want direct access, it's only $10 a month. We just hit our first take profit, not only crypto, but as well as Forex. On gold, we hit our 3rd take profit on silver. We're in a trade for US oil. We have other trade setups. And you receive crypto analysis, my exact entries, exits, and take profits for my crypto trades, crypto news, member profits, my HODL all plays. If you want direct access, it's $10 a month. You spend $10 every single day. Or you can sign up to Bitfinex and you can get that free trial. Check out my full-length tutorial. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. See you in the next video. Much love. Take care.